Hello, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. Today is Tuesday, February the 13th, and we are ready to put on another trade. Market is down a little bit, which is good news. Finally, it's been just going up, and this is a welcome development. Let's see what's going to happen. We are down a couple $100, but not as much as market, so that's always nice. Doesn't mean much, it can change, but right now it's fine. And let's take a look at our metrics and where we stand, and then we'll go and put on another trade and then talk a little bit about some other things, and we'll see where we're at. So to start off, I put in the numbers here. As you can see, the VIX, the delta, the theta. Theta is very low on paper, but as you know, I don't care about that too much. So long as I sell appropriate amount of theta and then spend appropriate amount, so there is enough difference for me to profit, I'm fine. The numbers, especially with these short-dated little hedges here and things like that, they appear to be losing a lot of theta, but it's not really the case. In any case, we're in a good space. Buying power is very low at under 10%, which is a good thing. This is a little bit thanks to our light positions at the moment, because some positions have been falling off ahead of schedule. As you can see here, we're down to 3 positions, as well as a little bit of relief that our hedges are bringing us. We have a couple of open hedges. And by the way, these hedges will be subject of our Friday's mastermind meeting, and we'll talk about, basically we'll try to find the optimal perpetual hedge. Right now we have the 14-day and the 21-day. We'll go deep into analysis. We'll use the options option omega's backtester. We'll use tastytrade risk analyzer. We'll run different scenarios to see if there is an edge in one or the other one, and that'll be on Friday. That's open to all members. So, and if you're not a member and you're watching this on YouTube, click on the description and you'll find, let me just see, somebody wants to enter the room. Let me just admit all. And you can join the Discord, and then you'll also be able to access our spreadsheet and our trading plan and participate in these live trading sessions. So that's on that. Let's go and take a look again here and see what's going on. So our target a weekly premium is around $1,000. This is target in a sense if we want to keep up with one trade per week. If the market is giving us more than this, then the spreadsheet will automatically move our trading up, and we'll trade more often. And on the other hand, if we're collecting less premium, we'll be trading less often. I mean, more often. Sorry. Let me just go ahead and put on a trade, and then we'll go from there. So as usual, you know, our plan is pretty simple. We go to ES, larger accounts can go to SPX. We go to trading tab, and we go closest to 90. We go without going under. So 94 is what we have. We go to around 8 delta, and we already have a trade here at 4,400. So we can sell another one here, no problem. I do like to have them separate, so it's just easier on the spreadsheet to follow and close them maybe at different times. But we are perfectly fine selling this one as well. But let's see if we go up a little bit. What do we get? We had 1,100, because as per our trading plan, we can go up to 9 delta if needed, or down to 7, with 8 being you know, like a target delta. So at 43.75, we're getting well, this is fine. We're getting just over 1,000, so we might as well go here and see if we can get this full amount. We might have to pedal back a little bit, but let's go and see if we can do that. So we'll try and sell one, and if we have to pedal back too much, we'll just move the strike up. So let's go to position, and that's the one right here. We're just gonna go and replace. We're not gonna go under 20 if it doesn't close, but it does close, so we're at 20. And the next thing we do, we go for our put debit spreads. We go closest to 90 without going over. So in this case, that would be 77. And we go to around 35 delta. And then, so here or here, let's see, what do we get here? 49.50. As you can see, this is very close to money for only 100 points below money. So we go 75 wide, and we make two of them. And as you can see here, 1825, let's say 1850, we pay for them. This is well within our 20% max allocation for the put debit spread. So we might as well do this. So let's see if we can get this. If not, we'll just up a quarter or something. So it looks like we'll have to do that. And let's go, where is it? Activity, this one right here. Replace the order. We go up a little bit. That's going to close. Perfect. We are done there. So now we're going to go ahead and record this, and then we'll see again where we stand. So for naked puts, we're going to call it 45. This was in ES. And we did 43. Let's take a look. I think it was 43.75. 43.75. And we had 94 days. And I think we collected 20 even. Yes, 20 even. And we did one of those. And that's it. Okay, so now we have 4 naked puts. And then we're going to go ahead and record our put debit spreads. This is going to be trade 46 here. MES. Today's date. And let's see what we did. 49.50, 49.50, and then 48.75, I would assume. Let me just make sure. Yeah, 48.75, and we paid 18.5 for that. Just a second, somebody. Irok, you're absolutely right. I just realized that I did that. So we don't want that. And we're gonna have to, you're absolutely right. I did that, so let me just make sure that I'm in the right one. What is it? Right here. So we're gonna lose a little bit of money on this, but we don't wanna, how much was that? How much we paid? 18. Yeah, we don't want to be paying that much. That's not what we want to do. So we're going to close this position. Let's see if we can try and get the same amount. That was, why did I not pay attention? That's interesting. Where is it?
Hey, Google. Show court.
Got it. Streaming court.
Okay, so we have to go now to MES and do the same thing. 77. And let's go here. 1, 2, 3. And we'll do 2 of those. And we'll probably have to do the same thing. So, all right, 18.50. All right, see, my fat finger cost me a little bit of money, but you know, that's what happens. Sometimes 77 days. And I think the strikes were 49.50, okay. And we paid minus 18.5. And we did 2 of those. Okay. All right, so this is on that. If we go back to the main page now, just to check what it looks like with all of that in, our notional exposure is very low. It's 8-1. We have around 12,000 in open PDS as in max value. We can probably recoup a portion of that, you know, anywhere between half and 80%, who knows, but somewhere in that neighborhood. And then we have total premium currently open 4,025, which means a full book wipe loss would be somewhere in this neighborhood, which represents around 16% of our net lick. This is before collecting whatever we can collect here and whatever we can collect on our hedges, of which we have a couple of them open here. So I think we're in a good shape. We're looking maybe in the neighborhood of 10% maximum drawdown in case of strong pullback and a book wipe, and that's perfectly acceptable. One of these days, one of the mastermind sessions pretty soon will be on MAR ratio and drawdowns and things of that nature, how to plan for the drawdown and what kind of a drawdown can we expect. And I think that's going to be very interesting. I think we'll do that pretty soon. But this Friday, we'll have these perpetual hedges. We'll pit 21 and 14 days against each other, run scenarios and see where we stand. Let's see, what else? Nothing. I just need to figure out how to record this little fat finger mistake. We'll probably put it somewhere under hedges just to show loss. And that's it. Any questions, guys? No questions. All right. So is there anything you want me to go over, or we're done? That's it, guys. I will see you on Friday, whoever comes to mastermind session. Otherwise, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you back on Tuesday, 28th of February. We'll be putting on another trade, and that's it. Thank you. See you later.